I actually want to sort out my art room. Good morning everybody, welcome back to another vlog. Just made my overnight oats, so you saw me what I put in there and everything, so I'm just gonna eat these now. And I also did make my iced coffee, so I got both. Yeah, so today, after I've drunk my coffee, I actually want to sort out my art room, because if you watched my older vlogs, I used to be in there quite a bit, but for a while now I just haven't gone in there because it's pretty messy. I've let it just sit there and it doesn't really inspire me anymore. It doesn't feel cozy, and I really want to make it feel cozy. So I don't know if I'm going to have to go out and buy one or two things to like add in. I might do that because I feel like if I buy something new, it makes it just more exciting. As soon as I came and sat down, he's straight away on my lap. Look at him. Aww. So basically this is the realistic of my office right now. It's just a mess over here where I haven't used my Cricut or printer for a while, and over here is just mess all over the desk. So I really need to sort this out because I really don't like coming in here to do anything. I also one day want to get rid of this big TV because this was my partner's, but I want to get like a smaller one that fits nicely on my desk. And I do want to get like a lot of new things. Like I want to get a whole new desk, a new chair, a rug, on the and all that lot. Shopping, but I went to Target. Well, actually I just went and took off my acrylic nails today actually, and I got like shellac, so it feels really nice to have my natural nails back because it's been like a few months. But anyway, I went there and then I went to Target and I thought, right, I'll just get a lamp and a vase to put like those things in. But I got a little bit distracted, like always. Obviously, and so many things that I wanted to get. I had to talk myself out of getting some things because I was like, right, let's just focus on the desk for now. So I just want to show you a quick haul of what I got. So let me just put Kiki down. So the first thing was a lamp that I got. So I just got this one here. Felt like a bride with these. I also got some fake flowers. They're really pretty colours. And I just thought they would look really nice in this. And I'll still put a few of those in to like bulk it up a little bit. I also got a picture frame. This just says, "Find me under the palms." I was going to get like a beach one, but they didn't have any this small, and I thought I'll just go for a small one for now. Then I also got this big chunky knit throw, and I've seen these in Pinterest pictures on the back of chairs, and I keep really wanting one, so I'm really happy that I've got one. So I don't like this chair that I'm actually sitting on very much. I want to get a new one at some point. But for now, I'll just chuck this over and it should look really nice. Then I do have a humidifier, so I got myself some essential oils, which have really nice smells actually. I can actually smell them just through here and they smell really good, so excited to use those. And then I got this really cute shell candle. So it's like a mix of coconut, mango, pineapple, orange blossom. And yeah, it just actually reminds me of the beach, maybe because it's a shell shape, but it just smells really good. And then lastly, I got this just because it was cute. And I was like, why not? The total of everything I bought was $145.85. So that was a little bit expensive. The most expensive thing was the table lamp. That was $29. This is Australian dollars, by the way, if you didn't know. I live in Australia, so decor then. I've just finished my room. Over here I've put up the new art print, well, quote. And then here on my desk we've got this really nice shell candle. This is a moonlight. If you tap it, it actually changes colour. And I got this from Ikea. So I'm just going to keep it pink. And then I've just put some shells in here actually. And this is a little Ikea plant that I just put on top. I just collect these like from the beach that when I go. So I don't know, I thought it looked kind of cool underneath. Then I got my humidifier on, which I put one of those oils in, and it smells so good, by the way. I love it. This is just my iPad. I thought I'd put it there for like aesthetic-y. And then I've put my big blanket throw over the chair, which is really cozy. I think it gives it that nice boho-y kind of vibe. And then I've just got these flowers, and then I put all these little extra things in. I just like tore them off into little bits and stuck them all in. So yeah, and then here I've just got like some of my packaging bits from before, so I just thought I'd put that all there. And I thought I'd bring out some of my stickers from the drawer, some of my favourites, and put them all in here. So these are all my stickers. By the way, I have opened up my Etsy shop again. I am going to look to probably get an actual website soon, but for now I just thought I'd open up Etsy as it's already set up and it's all done. Because I closed it just before I went to the UK and I just hadn't reopened it. Also just put in the rest of these things in here, and again I just put at the bottom some shells and everything that I've collected, a couple of little crystals there as well. Then I've got my little happy octopus. This side is actually an angry side, but I like the pink anyway, so, and also the happy face, so I kept it on this one. And then I just put a few of my bits that were already on the desk just kind of there.